How to change the default project name in Lovable. So in order to change the project name that you currently have, head over to lovable.dev and access your account. When you scroll down right here on your workspaces, we can see in here that I have two projects. So on particular, I have this one project and its default name is webweave-creation. It's actually so generic. So let's head over and change that into something personalized. First, do this, click on these three dots, and in here, click on this rename, and then change this right here. So let's name this Pinky Allure, which is the name of the website itself. Click on this rename project, and in here, make sure that it only contains lowercase and hyphen. So that is actually one of the requirements. So instead of inputting spaces, you can input right here dash, click on this rename, and then this will rename this right here. So as you can see, it's now been renamed and you can successfully access it. So don't worry because you can actually change the default project name. And once you have created a new actual project, it will have those right here as well. So that's how you change the default project name in Lovable. I hope this video helped you out.